It is Scott Wohlers with River Place Capital. It is Thursday, January the 7th. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to talk about where we ended the year last year in the stock market. Good afternoon. Happy Thursday, everybody. It is Scott Wohlers with River Place Capital. It is Thursday, January the 7th, and wanted to take just a couple of minutes just to talk about where we ended the year last year at the stock market, where the S&P 500 finished the year, and kind of what we see markets moving in 2021 and where we see markets moving forward. Well, we finished the year last year on a very, very high note, and Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody had a wonderful, wonderful holiday. But we finished the week last week up 1.7% on the S&P 500, giving us a really, really strong finish into 2020, with the S&P 500 being up over 16.5% for the year, which is really, really amazing when you think about all that we digested for the year from a macro and a micro perspective economically. And we were able to finish the year on a very, very strong note and move into 2021. And the question now is, being up 16.5% in the market over that, where do you go from here moving into 2021? Are we still going to be able to continue the same trajectory of growth and appreciation in the markets? And where do you look in the market to find opportunities? Well, one of the really interesting things is we ended the year last year with a very, very big divergence between growth and value stocks. And as you know, we've been talking a lot about a possible move over to value, where value is starting to outperform growth, and it's starting to do that. Well, last year, the growth sector of the S&P 500 was up over 36% for the year, but the value sector was negative 1% for the year. So where we look into 2021 is we see this historic divergence between these two, growth and value. And what we have seen in the start of this year is we've really, really seen and cemented that transition from growth to value. And a great example of that would be yesterday, when you saw the market up almost 2%. But what you saw were the big tech names that had led this market higher through last year actually sold off, and the market moved higher. Well, what's that telling you? Is those big growth names that have lots of great returns for them so far, or for last year, investors are going to be selling those to buy some of your underappreciated stocks or your value stocks. And when you look at the value stocks, what makes them attractive from an investing standpoint is they're already undervalued from where fair value is anyway. So there's a level of appreciation just for them to come back up to fair value. So don't be surprised if you see a choppy year in the market this year, but there's still plenty of opportunity to be there. And at River Place, we've really started to make our moves towards the value side. We still are balanced. We'll always maintain growth and specific growth companies within specific growth sectors that we know are continued growth trends for the years to come. But we've really started to take a barbell approach. We have growth and we have value as well, as we really believe value is going to outperform this year in 2021. So as always, if you have questions about what's going on in your portfolio, or what the difference between a growth stock and a value stock is, or you need help with a financial plan or any financial planning, call us. We're easy to talk to. We'd love to help you. You can call us at 904-346-3460, or as always, check us out online at www.riverplacecapital.com. I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of your week and a wonderful weekend. Thanks so much.